Clive, we talked how you can do a data migration project technically, but how do you get the business involved? How do you start this off?
So, the biggest problem with any migration is getting the business to realise it's their problem. It is business's responsibility, facilitated by IT, to define what the data should look like before it gets into SAP.
Yeah, but we know from our archiving projects that the problem is the business don't really want to know about this. They kind of leave it to IT. So how do you get the business involved?
Yeah, so that's a very good point. Typically, people try and do this thing with spreadsheets, documents, and it becomes very difficult to manage and difficult for the business to engage. So at Intota, we've got this data migration portal, which is a web application that allows the business to see the migration process in business-centric view. So they can see what they're responsible for, they can see what data objects are in scope for themselves, they can see the progress of the data quality, they can look at the business rules that are defined for each object. So that translates what they see as a technical project into something that actually they can own and manage. Once that's done, then it's IT's responsibility to take that design that the business is accountable for and translate that into a technical solution. And this is where our generator, a code generator that we have for data services, takes that design and automatically builds the whole end-to-end process for migration and dramatically cuts the costs of a migration project. But in summary, it's a business problem. Business own the quality of data, and it's your responsibility to manage it. IT a responsibility for executing against that data design.